ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? የግሬስ ፋርማ ቤተሰቦች የ2015 የሲቡሲ ጥያቄዎችን እየሰራን እንገኛለን። ፓርት 1፣ ፓርት 2፣ ፓርት 3 ቪዲዮ ሰርተናል። ፓርት 1፣ ፓርት 2፣ ፓርት 3 የተሰሩትን ቪዲዮ ቼክ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። ዛሬ ደግሞ ፓርት 4 ቪዲዮ ከ36 ጀምሮ ያለውን ጥያቄ አብረን እንሰራለን። A medical representative of a company is found promoting unregistered drug with misleading label. The Ethiopian Food and Drug Authority authorized a pharmacist to take appropriate action following the available rule and regulations. What is the most appropriate action to be taken on the medical representative? A. Give oral warning. B. Write a warning letter. C. Cancel education certificate. D. Cancel competency certificate. So the correct answer is cancel competitive certificate. እነዚህ የሬጉላቶሪ ጥያቄዎች ስለሆኑ ቪዲዮን ፖዝ እያደረጋችሁ በራሳችሁ ብትሞክሩ የተሻለ ይመስለኛል። ስለዚህ ፖዝ እያደረጋችሁ ጥያቄዎችን ብትሞክሩ ጥሩ ነው። Question number 37. In resource limited countries, regulatory authority and pharmaceutical company wait for healthcare professionals, patients or consumers to make an effort to contact the authority or company and immediately report encountered adverse drug events. This is because it is the cheapest way to get ADR report. What is the most likely pharmacovigilance method explained in the scenario? A. Active surveillance. B. Passive surveillance. C. Individual case safety report. D. Periodic safety up-to-date report. So the correct answer passive surveillance ነው። Question number 38. The IFRA receive, investigates and analyze adverse drug events from all over the country as part of its pharmacovigilance function. It is also in charge of taking regulatory action to ensure public safety. Which of the regulatory action listed below become a proportional measure when the risk of ADR clearly outweigh the product's benefit? A. Product recall. B. Package insert revision. C. Letter to health care provider about safety concern. D. Modify inadequate design of product labeling and packaging. The correct answer is product recall. Question number 39. A pharmacist who is working at a community pharmacy in Ethiopia submit a re-registration application for professional license certificate. The certificate issuing body analyzed the document submitted for re-registration and confirmed that the degree of the applicant is forged. What will be the most appropriate measure that should be taken by the certificate issued body? A. Cancelling the degree. B. Suspending the degree. C. Revoking the certificate. D. Suspending the certificate. The correct answer revoking the certificate. Question number 14. A licensed pharmacist working in a community pharmacy from year 2008 to 2009 EC. The pharmacist left this job since the end of 2009 due to family-related problem. In 2014, the pharmacist wanted to return to his previous work because the pharmacist family matters get a solution. What is the most likely claim by the authority? A. Considered as a pharmacist was practicing without a professional license. B. Inquired to bring a medical certificate proving the pharmacist fitness. C. Allowed to get back to work after renewing the license. D. Allowed to work with competent professional supervision. The correct answer C. Allowed to get back to work after renewing the license. Question number 41. A pharmacist who has been working in a dispensary unit of hospital gets a chance for MCC program in social pharmacy and left this job to join the program. 2 years later, he successfully completed his class and came to the regulatory body to have a license and continue his professional practice. What is the most appropriate next step to be taken? A. Get a new professional registration. B. Get a new job with the new profession. C. Get a medical certificate proving fitness. D. Get a renewed professional license. The correct answer is D. Question number 42. Miss Y studied a Bachelor of Degree in Pharmacy in a foreign country. After getting a professional license from the country authority, she could not get a job for more than 2 years. Then she decided to come to Ethiopia. What is the most appropriate initial step she should take before starting a job in Ethiopia? A. Complex 6 months to 1 year internship program at assigned institution. B. Get a temporary professional license from the concerned authority in Ethiopia. C. Produce evidence of equivalence of qualification issued by the competent body. D. Get a new professional license from the concerned authority in Ethiopia. The correct answer is C. Product evidence of equivalence of qualification issued by the competent body. Question number 43. A pharmaceutical importer which is actively working in a pharmaceutical setting assesses the need of mothers with breastfeeding problem and wanted to import and distribute infant formula in addition to the current pharmaceutical they imported. What is the most likely legal requirement to be taken? A. Renew a professional license. It is outdated. B. Get a special permit from the authority. C. Import quality and standard product. C. Get a new registration and license. D. Get a new registration and license. Question number 44. A pharmacist is working in a hospital pharmacy of a specialized hospital. The pharmacist is classifying a controlled substance based on the schedule on the Controlling Substance Act. The pharmacy stored a product with a label of can be used medical under close supervision. What is the most likely substance in this case? A. Lysergic acid. B. Morphine. C. Codeine. D. Heroin. The correct answer is morphine. Question number 45. A research team went to import pharmaceuticals that were not registered in the country's drug registration list. They wanted to product for a clinical trial purpose and counsel on the legal claim of the scenario. What is the most appropriate legal response in this case? A. Allow to import. B. Daily to import. C. Check the safety. D. Register first. ስለዚህ አለው to import is the correct answer. Question number 48. Mr. Z is an athlete who ran on an international Olympic. On checking the status of the athlete, he was banned from the report as he was diagnosed with taking substance that improve physical activity. What is the most likely substance that improves the performance of the athlete? A. Opioid. B. Marijuana. C. Oxycodone. D. Anabolic steroid. So the correct answer is anabolic steroid. Question number 47. Mr. Z wanted to know the most effective medication among the antihypertensive drug approved by the FDA. He wanted to get the answer from the best credible source of scientific information. What is the most appropriate source of information for Mr. Z to use? A. Media. B. Textbook. C. Reputable journalist. C. Report of institution. The correct answer is C. Reputable journalism. Explanations እና reputable scientific journal provide peer-review evidence-based update information. Textbooks may be outdated. Media or institutional report not always peer-reviewed or detailed. Question number 48. A health researcher went to answer a research question if smoking causes coronary heart disease in adults. The researcher identified smoker and non-smoker adults based on his sample size and went to examine if coronary heart disease is more frequent among the smokers. Which study design method is recommended in this scenario? A. Cohort study, B. Case control study, C. Cross-sectional study, D. Nested case control study. The correct answer is cohort study. Explanation: in cohort study, participants are classified by exposure or smoker versus non-smoker and followed to see if the outcome or coronary heart disease occurs. Case control starts with disease looks backward. C. Cross-sectional, measuring exposure and outcome at the same time. outcome exposure at the same time ነው ሜዥር የሚያደርገው ክሮስ ሴክሽናል ስቴዲ። ኔክስት ኬዝ ኮንትሮል with a cohort, not general use. Question number 49. A pharmacist who is working in a community pharmacy during an information center has received a drug consultation request about the temporal relationship between digoxin and nifedipine. The pharmacist wanted to apprise published scientific researches based on this method. What point mostly considered in this case? A. Were unique statistical tests used? B. Were data collected appropriately? C. Were inclusion or exclusion criteria provided? D. What were the major null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis? Correct answer B. Were data collected appropriately የሚለው መልስ ነው ማለት ነው። Explanations እና evaluation a temporal relationship required ensure the timing and accuracy of the data collection. Other point, a statistical test, inclusion or exclusion, null hypothesis are important but secondary to correct temporal data. Question number 14. A researcher proposed a study on the prevalence of social drug use among adults in the eastern part of Ethiopia. He or she calculated a total sample of 384 using a single population proportion formula. There are 500 adults in the sampling frame and he or she selects the 384 responded at a regular interval. What is the most likely sampling technique the researcher used? ለዚህ ጥያቄ የለውም አይደለም። at 384 ሪስፖንዳንትን at the regular interval ከዚህ ተነስተን መልሱን ማወቅ አያቅተንም። So A. systemic random sampling, B. stratified sampling method, C. simple random sampling, D. cluster sampling method. So the correct answer is systemic random sampling. Systemic random sampling selects participants at a fixed interval from the sampling frame. So in here 5,000 adults per every case person. Stratified, divided population into subgroup first. Simple random selection without fixed interval. Cluster, select entire group, not individual. So the correct answer is systemic random sampling ትክክለኛ መልስ ነው። 50 ጥያቄ ሰርተናል። ስለዚህ ከፓርት 1 ቪዲዮ ጀምራችሁ ብታዩ ጥሩ ነው። ግን ሼር ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። መልካም ጊዜ